Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're talking about a situation that's far more common than most people expect. What if you know you're moving to Spain, but you're not sure where in Spain you'll ultimately live? For many Americans, the decision to move to Spain comes first. The country is clear. The lifestyle shift is clear. The visa path may already be underway. You might even know whether you prefer coastal energy, urban walkability, or a quieter inland rhythm. But you don't have a final address, and that uncertainty can feel uncomfortable. If you're used to planning in a linear way, you may feel like you're missing a step. You might wonder whether you're not ready to move until you've locked in a city, a neighborhood, and a lease. In reality, this situation is incredibly normal. Many relocations to Spain begin with a temporary landing point. A short-term rental. A few months in one region before exploring another. Time spent experiencing daily life before committing long-term. Spain is diverse. Barcelona does not feel like Valencia. Valencia does not feel like Seville. What looks ideal online can feel different once you've walked the streets on a regular Tuesday afternoon. The challenge is not the uncertainty itself. The challenge is assuming that everything else, especially your household shipment, must wait until certainty arrives. That assumption creates unnecessary pressure. International relocations do not require that every decision be finalized at once. They require that decisions be sequenced intelligently. Knowing that you are moving to Spain is often enough to begin planning. If you want a broader understanding of how international relocations are structured to support this kind of flexibility, you can explore this on our website. If you'd like to talk through how your move can be structured while your location is still unfolding, you can give us a call, 844-651-7050. Speak with a relocation specialist to begin planning your move.